All right. Is the bull market about to end? No, not just yet. Please excuse my attire now. I don't. No one's going to see this video, first video, but I am like very, very tired. So I also have no clue how to use this equipment. So please bear with me. So we're looking at the U.S. 10-year here. This is just we're going to get into S&P 500 and Nasdaq and Bitcoin, yes, but we just want to be look at the pattern and the trend that goes on. We know when the U.S. 10-year goes up, stocks go down. U.S. 10-year goes up, stocks goes down. U.S. 10-year goes up, stocks go down, and it tends to be at this level around. Oh, 3.9. I am out of it. Tired. 3.9. But I thought I'd make a video. Uh, gotta get that. Gotta get after it. So about 3.9, and then we probably might see a go up, see us go up again. But I think the market can be described in these simple words. I'm just gonna put it quick. If we break above 672, 671, the bull is back on. And if we don't, things can probably get nasty. And I think we probably only drop down to like realistically 652, like a 5% drop from all time high. Before we probably just go back up higher. Well, actually, that's 4%. Hold on a second. Well, fuck it. Excuse my French. Um, Normally, yes, and okay. So in future videos, yes, I'll have a bunch of strategy. I'll sound all fancy and everything. But right now, I don't feel like pulling up my order flow charts because I am tired. A man gotta sleep. But first video, screw it. No one gonna see it. But oh, that's the VIX below 20, stocks bullish. Ideally, we've been hovering between like 18 and 20, but once we start seeing a lot of like a consistent days, we're closing below 20. Ideally, stock market goes higher, VIX goes lower. Once we start breaking below 16, if you're swinging puts, you may lose money. Um, yeah. So Bitcoin, the Bitcoin. Um, So pretty much my thesis on Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin. I'll just see it as an investment, and we'll get on to we'll do a bunch of fancy videos in the future about why. But just for this video, I'll just only say this: um, Bitcoin normally likes to run similarly to the performance of the Nasdaq, if not outperform it. And right now, with Bitcoin, not well, significantly underperforming the Nasdaq, it may need to play catch up. So I'm saying it's like from this 100 and this 98 between 100 and 1,000 is pretty much a good buy. It's still a good buy right now as we sit below 105. But I'm saying going into this week, this thing can go freaking nuts. I'm not really too concerned on dips in Bitcoin because the reps are just much of insane. I'm anyone that has been in this space a long time has seen Bitcoin up freaking 10 grand in a day within a few hours. Just um so yeah, so pretty much there's a lot of stop losses, a lot of interest at this level, and ideally, if that does fail, you would probably see this just the opposite, drop 10 grand in a day. So I'm saying right now, I really don't believe we'll dip below 98 grand because that'd be too good to be true. I'll be very happy if we did, but the time is coming for the bear market, but that bear market is just not now. We must follow price action. Da 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 da. Gold. Now I'll leave the video off with this. So normally when a lot of big money players and a lot of institutional traders or people with just large portfolios are in, they feel like their portfolios at risk. They will hedge their positions by buying gold, seeing gold perform the way it did, like it did this year. Could say that hey, the smart money players, it could be theorized that the smart money players know something that's on the horizon that current retail does not. I seen a video of well, I'm a retailer, I guess. Well, yeah, so I'm a retailer. Saying that This is completely normal. There's nothing to be concerned about. And ideally, that is what I like. I like to see 1,000 more of him, of people saying that it's like, hey, there's no way that price can go down. We're only going to go up. And it's at that point where you might want to get ready to panic. um, Bear market coming soon, but not just yet. So, plan for the YouTube channel is I want higher quality videos. I want to master this craft of video making, video creating stuff, and I want to get on a really high level with it where I can just do it again and again and again. I want to scale to a level where I can upload the 6 of the highest, best performing videos, not once a month, not 5 times a month, not 10 times a month, but I want to get to a level where I can become so good at it and so quick that every video is informative, it's informational, and people can grasp it and learn something from it. And I want to do that at such a high level where I can do 6 videos in a day. Now, how am I going to do that? I'm gonna gatekeep all that information. All you got, all you can learn from me is what I know about the stock market, and you'll see all that in the live streams and everything right now. But starting out, I thought I would just make a video today. It is currently what 11:09. Let me see if I can tilt my camera here. It is looking good out here. If I don't think the camera can view the outside, we got a good view. Got a good view today. But yeah, and I will catch you guys in the next one.